13th one, write a NumPy program to get the unique elements of an array. Okay, to get the unique elements of array means no duplicates, just only single, no duplicate values. Okay, you return unique values in an array. For that you have to use unique function here. Simple. You have taken 1D array in an array 1 and array 2 variable consists of 2D array 1 2 comma 2 comma 3. So only should return unique values here using unique function. Okay, so check the output. See 10 20 30 50 1 2 3. So check the unique here, check unique function here. So function return takes the arrays as the parameters here, two arrays as parameters, and the return type is a unique array. Okay, unique array only means array. Okay, and see the examples here. Suppose if you want 2D array also, it convert 2D array into single array. Okay, for unique array, unique elements. So here check the 2D array here, 1 comma 2D array is there. So if you did not use axis here, axis parameter, so it converts into 1D. Okay, unique 1D here. Okay, if you use axis equal 0, so it checks 2D array, like 2D array here. Okay, 1 comma 0 2 comma 0, like that one. Check the examples here, unique function. Okay, for 2D function it converted to 1D here. 1 1 2 3 is 2D second dimensional elements, array elements, but it converted into, if you use a unique function on this 2D function, it converts into single dimension here. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3. If you don't want to convert into single dimension, just use here axis equal to 0. Okay, so that it won't convert 2D into 1D.